I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing prerequisites that let Apple authenticate your organization and devices. Sign in with an administrator Apple ID and create a managed Apple ID for device management. This matters because roles and permissions control who can enroll devices. Once domain ownership and your DUNS number are verified, add your reseller or carrier account details so enrolled devices are automatically assigned. Make sure to collect serials or purchase order numbers now, since you'll need them to link hardware to Apple Business Manager. Next, you connect Apple Business Manager to your mobile device management server. This lets you push profiles and restrictions. Create enrollment profiles specifying supervision, setup assistant steps, and which apps or certificates to install. This is how you control behavior out of the box. Once profiles exist, assign devices to the MDM server using reseller-provided device purchases, serial numbers, or a CSV import. After assignment, devices will check in during initial setup and receive the designated configuration automatically. Finally, you validate the workflow by unboxing a device and walking through setup to confirm it enrolls and applies policies. Once satisfied, roll out to the rest of your fleet and monitor device status and profile assignment in Apple Business Manager. If something goes wrong, check that serial numbers match records, the reseller is linked correctly, and your MDM server token hasn't expired. Should issues persist, reassign a test device and review logs so you can isolate whether the problem is in Apple Business Manager or the MDM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.